51 years ago, two men walked on the moon, and science fiction became reality.
Okay, let's go there, Capcom on the hot fire. Okay, all flight controllers going around the horn, gonna go for undocking. Okay, retro, go. Fido, go. Guide, go. Control, go. Telcom, go. Jinsei, go. Ecom, go. Surgeon, go. Capcom, we're go for undocking.
On July 20th, 1969, millions of people gathered around their televisions to watch two U.S. astronauts do something no one had ever done before. Wearing bulky space suits and backpacks of oxygen to breathe, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin became the first human beings to walk on the moon. At 9:32 a.m. on July 16, 1969, with the world watching, Apollo 11 took off from Kennedy Space Center with astronauts Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins aboard. Neil Armstrong was the commander of the mission. After traveling 240,000 miles in 76 hours, Apollo 11 entered into a lunar orbit on July 19th. The next day at 1:46 p.m., the lunar module, the Eagle, manned by Armstrong and Aldrin, separated from the command module where Collins remained. 2 hours later, the Eagle began its descent to the lunar surface, and at 4:17 p.m. the craft touched down on the southwestern edge of the Sea of Tranquility. Armstrong immediately radioed to Mission Control in Houston, Texas, a now famous message: "The Eagle has landed."
We copy you down, Eagle. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquil.
At 10:39 p.m., 5 hours ahead of the original schedule, Armstrong opened the hatch of the lunar module. As he made his way down the module's ladder, a television camera attached to the craft recorded his progress and beamed the signal back to Earth, where hundreds of millions watched in great anticipation. At 10:56 p.m., as Armstrong stepped off the ladder and planted his foot on the moon's powdery surface, he spoke his famous quote: "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin joined him on the moon's surface 20 minutes later, and they took photographs of the terrain, planted a U.S. flag, collected samples of moon rocks and dust, and also ran a few simple scientific tests. At 1:11 a.m. on July 21st, both astronauts were back in the lunar module, the Eagle, and the hatch was closed. The Eagle began its ascent back to the command module at 1:54 p.m. Among the items left on the surface of the moon was a plaque that read, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot on the moon, July 1969 AD. We came in peace for all mankind." At 5:35 p.m., Armstrong and Aldrin successfully docked and rejoined Collins, and at 12:56 a.m. on July 22nd, Apollo 11 began its journey home, safely splashing down in the Pacific Ocean at 12:50 p.m. on July 24th.